In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create receipt in Zoho Books. First, log into Zoho Books and look at the left sidebar. Click the Sales module to open all your sales-related options. From there, choose Sales Receipts. This section is where you'll track payments you've received at the time of sale. So it's perfect for walk-in purchases or instant payments that don't require an invoice. Next, create a new receipt. In the top right corner, click the New button. This opens a blank sales receipt form where you'll enter the essential details. Start with the customer name. Select the customer from your list, and Zoho Books will pull in any saved contact and billing information for a consistent, professional look, then set the receipt date. Choose the date you actually received the payment to keep your records accurate and make your reconciliation smoother later. You'll see a sales receipt number field. Zoho Books automatically generates this number to keep everything orderly. If you follow a specific numbering format, you can customize it using the small gear icon next to the field. Pick a sequence that matches your internal policy and keeps your records easy to track. Now add the item details. Search for and select the products or services sold. Make sure quantities, prices, and any applicable taxes are accurate. If needed, add a brief description to clarify what was purchased. Clear line items not only help your customer understand the receipt, they also keep your reports and inventory up to date. Choose where the money is deposited using the Deposit to field. If you collect cash checks or card payments that you'll group and deposit later, select Undeposited Funds. If the payment is already headed straight to a bank account, pick that specific account. Choosing the right option here ensures your bank reconciliation stays clean and matches reality. When everything looks good, decide how you want to finalize it. Click Save to record the receipt in your books. This makes it available in your sales list and reports, and you can print or download a PDF if you need a copy. If you want to deliver it right away, click Save and send to email the receipt directly to your customer. You'll have a chance to review the message and confirm before it goes out. That's it. Thanks for watching.